Students protest outside HEC Islamabad. Islamabad University students from across the country gathered outside the office of the Higher Education Commission HEC in Islamabad on Wednesday demanding their full semester fee be waived off. They also wanted varsities to stop their online classes and promote students to the next semester without any examinations. With placard in their hands, the students raised slogans and blocked the capital service road for traffic. These students have not just been protesting on roads, but have also voiced their concerns on social media platforms. They say that the pandemic has affected them severely. In a thread on Twitter, Aswat Shiraz, a student at Ikra University, called out varsities for charging full semester fees during the coronavirus pandemic, declaring it immoral and unfair. It's not just a piece of cake for everyone to bear the financial burden of their academics, as some students do part-time jobs and give home tuition to pay off their expenses, he said. Shiraz stated that due to the pandemic they could no longer work, leading to difficulty in paying fees. The online classes that the universities conduct only include daily lectures and recordings for which students use their own resources such as Wi-Fi and mobile internet. The student explained that their university fee covers all the student service and facilities such as clubs and societies and campus facilities which have not been utilized since educational institutions were closed. Owing to this, we demand that the universities reduce their fees by 50%, Shiraz said.
खुद बताएं, मैथ आप जूम पे कर सकते हैं, अकाउंटिंग आप जूम पे कर सकते हैं, इंजीनियर आप जूम पे बन सकते हैं, डॉक्टर आप जूम पे बन सकते हैं, अगर बन भी गया फिर इलाज भी वैसा ही होगा।
तो हमारी फीस या तो माफ कर दी जाए या तो कम कर दी जाए।
Following Shiraz tweets, several other students from all provinces expressed their concerns and have requested the HEC to consider their demands. Schools, universities, and colleges were closed down by the government in late February.
अगर आप ऑनलाइन सिस्टम बहाल करते हैं तो उसे पूरे मुल्क में करें। जो हमारे फाटा गिलबल्चिस्तान के जो दूर के इलाके हैं वहाँ पर ये कैसे आएगा? जहाँ पर हमारे फोन के सिग्नल्स नहीं आते, आप वहाँ पर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस को कैसे लेके जाएंगे?
हमारे यहाँ पर जो मुतालबे हैं वो ये है कि हमारा सेमेस्टर प्रमोट किया जाए और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के नाम पे जो ड्रामा किया जा रहा है इसे बंद किया जाए और जो लोग फीस पे नहीं कर पा रहे तो हमारी फी कैंसिलेशन की जाए।
As a precautionary measure against the novel coronavirus spread, following these educational institutions resorted to online classes.